Making short videos has become very easy these days, but the moment we start thinking about creating long videos, confusion begins. There are many AI tools that can generate great looking videos, but the real problem is consistency. In every new scene, something changes. Sometimes the character looks different, sometimes the background changes, sometimes even the color don't match. And because of this, the entire flow of the video breaks. Honestly, I've received this question many times in the comment section. How can we make long videos, or is it really possible to create a continuous connected video using AI? So in this video, I'm going to share a simple and practical solution to this problem. Step by step, you'll see how to create scene by scene long videos where every next scene naturally connects with the previous one without random changes and without breaking continuity. So if you want your AI videos to look smooth, connected and professional, this video is just for you. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll give this prompt to GPT. Using this master prompt, you only need to enter your video title and the desired length, and it will create a complete, ready-to-use workflow for you. Based on your title, it will generate a simple and clear story that is divided scene by scene and stays logically connected. For each scene, you will also get short narration line that you can directly use for voiceover. Along with that, you'll receive image prompts for every scene, and these prompts will be connected to each other, meaning the character, colors, and backgrounds will remain consistent throughout the video. This process makes it very easy to maintain continuity and consistency while creating long videos. And the best part is that everything comes in a single output: the story, narration, and connected image prompts. So you can directly generate images and videos without any confusion. And this prompt works for any topic or niche, whether it's history, philosophy, motivation, or educational content. So for example, I add the title here: Luna the alien visits Earth for the first time, and enter 59 seconds as the video length. As soon as I do that, you can see that GPT provides us with a connected story, scene by scene narration, and image prompts, all ready to use for creating a video. And now let's talk about how we actually make these videos. You already know that Grok AI can generate unlimited videos, but as you also know, when we generate videos directly, it's usually difficult to maintain consistency, meaning the characters, colors, and backgrounds don't stay the same in every scene. And that's why we use a special method that keeps each scene connected and visually consistent, so long videos can be generated smoothly without any random changes. So first, we'll go to the Grok AI website and click on Imagine. We'll copy our first image prompt and generate the image here. Keep in mind, we are not generating a video yet, just the image. Make sure to select the aspect ratio you want for the video before generating the image. So once the images are generated, we'll select one image, then we'll enter the same image prompt again. But this time, select the video option to generate the video. This way, our video will be based on the selected image. And after the first video is generated, we'll play it and stop at the last frame. This step is very important because it helps maintaining consistency for the next scene. Then right click and select copy video frame and go back to the input box, paste it and add prompt number 2 to generate the next video. See, this ensures our video remains consistent because of the last frame technique. So I'll do the same for the second video. Copy its last frame, paste it back, and enter prompt number 3. Repeating this process allows you to create a smooth, connected long video. And if you notice any problem in a video, you can simply regenerate it. So using this method, I'll create all my scenes, copying each scene's last frame to the next scene and entering each prompt. So the entire long video will be smooth, connected, and consistent. So now, as you can see, all the videos are ready and you can download them from here. So let's move on to the voiceover step. So for the voiceover, I'm using 11 Labs. First, go to the website and click on text to speech. Then paste your narration script, select your desired voice, and click generate. Within a few seconds, you will get 2 versions. You can choose whichever one you like and download it. Now that our videos and voiceover are ready, what are we waiting for? Let's move on to the final step, which is editing. I'm using Filmora for this. First, I'll import all the generated videos and voiceover. Then I'll place the voiceover into the timeline and make sure all videos are set to a 16:9 aspect ratio. Next, I'll arrange the videos according to the voiceover so the story flows smoothly from scene to scene. So once everything is in the place, we can add transitions, subtitles, effects, and background music. You have full freedom here. Add color grading, speed changes, text animation, sound effects, or any extra visual polish you like. This will make your video professional, engaging, and perfectly connected from start to finish. And just like that, my video is ready. Let's check out the final result.
Luna the alien lands on Earth for the very first time. She looks around, amazed by the tall trees and colorful flowers. A curious butterfly flies close, and Luna reaches out to touch it. Suddenly, Luna hears children laughing nearby and decides to explore. The children see Luna and wave, smiling at her friendly face. Luna joins them, learning their games and laughing together. As the sun sets, Luna waves goodbye,
friends.
happy with her first Earth adventure.
Is magical. Wave back.
So as you can see, just following a few simple steps, you can create long, smooth, and consistent videos. Because of the last frame technique, your characters, colors, and scene stays perfectly connected, giving your video a truly professional look. But remember, consistency is what takes your videos from average to standard. And don't forget to add maximum value through your editing, storytelling, and presentation. That's what keeps your audience engaged till the very end. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, and for more faceless animation and AI video creation tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, drop a comment below and let me know which topic or niche you want to see in the next video. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care.